example I gave, I believe I told this before, about a believer. There's a man that was in an oasis in the desert, and he was dying. And the doctor showed up and said, sir, what's the problem? He said, I'm thirsty, I'm dying of thirst. So they went. He called the nurses and the doctors to come and give him the water. They gave him the water. And he was holding the water he had in his hand. And he said, I believe that if I drink this water, I will not die. They were like, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. He said, I believe that if I drink this water, I will not die. Everybody know, yes, sir, say it, doc, say it. He said, I believe that if I drink this water, and he died. Now, he did believe that if he drank that water, he wouldn't die. But he didn't do what he believed. Hello. What's the purpose of getting the purposes and the principles and the promises of God and shouting about it but not getting no results? How are you sitting there quoting scriptures but don't believe what you quoting? So you just like a Bible in the living room open, not used. Amen.